everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick 5-minute arms workout just for you. 3 exercises, 8 reps each one, 3 rounds in total. Let's get started. So we're starting with hammer curl, 2 bicep curls. Are you ready? Let's go. 2, 6, last 2, and 8. Whew. Great. Next one is tricep kickbacks. First you do both arms together, then one arm at a time, and this is 1 rep. Ready? And extend from the elbow. 1, 2, this is the last one. 8. Okay, the last one is front and lateral raise, alternating the arms. Each one counts as a rep here. Ready? And yeah, excuse me, not each one. Each 2 counts as a rep. So we're halfway there. We have 7 more. Brilliant. Okay, now we're gonna go from the top. This is super quick workout, so let's not waste time. Ready for the hammer curls and bicep curls, and here we go. And 8. Tricep kickbacks. 2, 4, 5. Lovely. Whew. Front and lateral raise. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo, lovely. Okay, last round, and then we'll be done with our quick 5-minute arms workout. Bicep curls to hammer curls to bicep curls. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, lovely. Try to keep backs. And 7 and 8. Ooh, lots of mosquitoes over there. Last one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely, thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this 5-minute quick arms workout just for you. Bye. Be good, feel good, and stay active.